Yes, good afternoon or good morning to everyone. Hello, my guys, especially my people from Somali, Ethiopia, Djibouti. Now I'm working with your document. All your documents are done now. The work paper. Now I'm going to send them by DHL, Mohammed Deri. So maybe in 1 week you will get all the documents. Okay? The work permit. Yes, guys. So all is done. Okay, Mohammed. See you soon. Thank you, my guys. Don't trust me, but trust the process. Thank you, my guys. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.